Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then select Wallpapers and Style, and click on Wallpapers. Now just select the album from which you want to select your wallpaper, and choose the one that you want to use. As you can see, you can see how particular picture looks on your screen. So here we've got online wallpapers, then you can pick also some basic static or live wallpaper. If you have some photo in your gallery, just open album and choose the photo. So let me choose, for example, this one. And now you can customize it however you like. Tap on apply and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, it is already applied. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.